Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So basically, as we spoke in a previous forecasts, previous days, we expected the pound to basically rise, and we had that rise, and basically price is testing this 1.2300 mark, which was the first upside objective even from days ago when we spoke about this potential growth. What you can see here is basically this looks like a very nice tight flag. We have a bull flag pattern, a breakout, we clear some major resistance, and it's very possible that in higher degrees we can even go towards 1.2600 mark. So still pay attention on the pullbacks and watch for the intraday buying opportunities. We also have high impact events later into the US session, so maybe watch for some kind of the pullbacks or mini shakeouts or bull flags intraday. We already have here for the price and for the further bullish movement. If we speak about the gold market, as alerted also in the previous sessions, we had a very nice bull flag here, a very strong growth on metals. I alerted about this, and a strong rise in last 2 days on the gold, and market basically closing on highs, holding very well overnight. Don't give too much on the way down. From my perspective, we already reached that first objective at 1,800 mark, and the next, I would say, important pivot level is around 1,870. So watch for pullbacks, watch for intraday dips for the further upside movement. If we speak about the crude oil, this market had a 3 days up and closed very weak yesterday in the middle of the trading range, exactly testing the 20-day moving average. So market is basically not doing too much, it's pretty choppy. There is a chance to test the previous day low or so. So we'll see. This area is very important area of resistance at 82 mark. And as long as we cannot close above this bar at 83, there is I think a little more odds for the downside and rotation to the downside today, maybe previous day low or something like that. Not that clean a structure at this stage. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, I said that we cleared the key pivot, which was around 17,000 mark or 16,800 mark. We broke that. We got a 1-day pullback yesterday, but still this structure looks like we're building a bull flag potential in the 4-hour and 2-hour time frame. If we can trade above 17,000 mark again, this can be just confirmed this potential bull flag and upside continuation. So there is still chance for further growth on the Bitcoin, and even towards the 20,000 mark or so, even 21,000 mark. So watch for buying opportunities, and a nice bull flag is forming here on the 4-hour time frame. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning actually from speak to you from Monday next week, and have a good week, guys.